In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch create 30 Instagram Reels in Canva. We'll build one smart layout, duplicate it, and swap content so you can produce a month's worth of Reels in a single sitting. Start by opening Canva and typing Instagram Reel in the search bar. This ensures your canvas is the correct vertical size, so everything fits the platform perfectly. Pick a template that matches the vibe you want, clean, bold, or playful, and open it. Don't overthink the first choice. This is just your foundation. Create one base style you'll duplicate later. Think of it as your universal skeleton that keeps all reels consistent. Now set up your master reel layout. Add your recurring elements, your main headline, supporting text or quotes, and a designated space for a photo or video. Apply your colors, fonts, and overall brand style. Keep it simple and clean so you can reuse it at least 30 times without it feeling cluttered. Consistency is what speeds you up, so repeatable spacing and clear text hierarchy are your best friends. Make sure text is readable on mobile. High contrast and large type go a long way. When your base looks solid, duplicate for speed. At the top of the page, click Duplicate Page and make about 30 copies. Each page represents a separate reel. This gives you a controlled assembly line where structure stays the same, but content changes. If it helps, quickly rename pages with working titles so you can stay organized. Now, replace content only. Go page by page and swap the headline, quote, or topic text. Then replace the photo or video in the media area. Keep the layout intact to maintain consistency and save time. If an image needs cropping, use the built-in adjustment tools, but avoid redesigning. The goal is fast, repeatable output with a cohesive look across all reels. Add quick animations to give movement without slowing you down. Select your text or elements, click Animate, and choose fast options like pop, fade, or slide. Keep the same animation style across your pages so everything feels unified. Short, snappy effects work best for Reels and help maintain viewer attention. Finally, download everything. Click Share, then Download, choose MP4, and select all pages or pick specific ones. Export, and you've got 30 Reels ready to post. Before you publish, skim through a few files to confirm text is crisp and timing feels smooth. And that's it, an efficient, repeatable system for producing Reels at scale.